practical, all of that. So I would like to invite Tiffany to make a presentation, please.
Thank you very much, Malati, and thanks for including me in this very exciting seminar today. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Great. So I'm going to share some Aboriginal letters here today, and I would like to begin by acknowledging the Aboriginal families who have given me the permission to share these with you. And here I'm considering Aboriginal letters as a form of literature, a literary genre in themselves, but also as inspiration for Aboriginal literature and histories by their descendants of the letter writers. So I'm also going to talk about Indigenous writers in different genres and across eras. And I've been thinking a lot about, when I've been talking with Alex Rodzinski, who you'll hear from next, about science fiction, I've been also thinking about the kinds of genres in which Indigenous Australian writers have written into and really forged as well. Claire Coleman, this writer here, her recent book, Terra Nullius, is a work of speculative fiction, a historical novel set in Western Australia in the early 20th century, in which the Indigenous people are humans and the settlers are alien invaders who have taken the Earth as the newest corner of their galactic empire. Coleman is an Aboriginal writer from the southwest of Western Australia, and she believes that the genre of